Oh, yes, love is in the air. And with this beautiful heart, how could you not be in love? And what about this gorgeous gem? As if it's not blinged up enough, we had to sparkle it up. And that ribbon, you guys, it's all available. My Etsy shop, I'll put the link below. So I'm going to start this beautiful swag, and I am going to lay a little bit of 21-inch mesh because I like when my attachment sit on something and also brings in the touch of silver that I didn't want to put in with extra picks or flowers. So we have a little bit of sparkle that's going to act very nicely as a base for our sparkled red heart. If you don't prefer the mesh, then you can simply skip the step and go on with the bow. And I do have a tutorial for my bow on my YouTube channel. I'll link it below as well. Once my bow is in place, I'm going to go ahead and put this gorgeous velvet heart that we made all sparkly. And we're going to add our jewel. I do not attach it with glue onto my swag. I like to tie it in so that I know it's secure and it's not going anywhere, just like the rest of my attachments. So once those two are nice and secured in, we're going to start adding in some greenery. I did choose to add in some ficus. And then I'm going to add in these red roses that I just sprayed with glue. And I dipped them in fake snow, just to give them a little bit of touch of white. As you know, Valentine's is still February. Some of us still have snow. So I'm just going to put my roses around the swag, balancing all my colors all the way to the bottom. And in the end, you guys are going to see that I did go back in and added a little bit more silver and brought it mesh and brought it all the way to the bottom. I'm just adding in a little pink filler here and there to tie in all the colors. And then I'm adding in these gorgeous velvet leaves that really tie in our velvet heart really beautifully and pull it all together. And here is the finished look. As you can see, I did add a little bit more silver mesh on the bottom. I did add a little bit more greenery here and there. I tweaked a couple of things, but there's the finished beautiful swag with the heart and the bejeweled jewel. Lots of bling. Hope you enjoyed. See you guys soon.